Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Secret Pleasure Chest Red Dragon. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the Secret Pleasure Chest Red Dragon set. In this 8-piece set you will find various bondage and S&M products for a thrilling night in the bedroom. This set is very suitable for couples who are perhaps interested in BDSM but don't have much experience with it yet. The box consists of a 5-meter bondage rope, a ball gag which is adjustable, handcuffs which have a plush soft inside and are also adjustable as well, a collar and a leash which is also adjustable as well and has a soft inside for extra comfort, ankle cuffs, adjustable and has a soft inside for extra comfort, a flogger for extra stimulating sensations, and last but not least, a plush eye mask with an elastic backing for the perfect fit. Perfect for beginners and couples. And that is the Secret Pleasure Chest Red Dragon. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.